We should just call this untaping instead of unboxing. And this is the Gourmet digital air fryer, the 6 quart slash 5.7 liter capacity. Hello everyone. Today we'll be unboxing a Gourmet digital air fryer. So the one that we have right here is a 6 quart 5.7 liter capacity. So it's pretty much straightforward operation, you know. It has a 6 quart 5.7 liter. This is what we're gonna expect when we open this. 2 trays, and the manufacturer is claiming that it could dehydrate, air fry, bake, roast, and broil. And I think we're ready to open this thing up. This is well taped air fryer. We should just call this untaping instead of unboxing. So after untaping it for seems like a day, this is how it looks like. Oh, look at that. There's some foam protection. Get rid of the foam. And as you can see, there's our stuff. It sounded plasticky. So pull it out. And this is our air fryer. That's how it looks like. And let's go open, let's check the box if whatever left in it. So inside, as you can see, is the recipe book. Nothing else. Another foam protection for the bottom of the air fryer. It's a thick one, everyone. There's the recipe book, of course, some paperwork regarding the safe operation of this air fryer. This is the, well, I guess you can't put it on top of the oven or the stove, which is uh, common sense. And a precaution about first few uses it would smell like a hot plastic smell. So just a heads up, the way we won't be alarmed. So let's take this plastic off and see what this air fryer all about. So our air fryer has a two-prong uh, plug, and good thing we have a stool that spins, and we can just spin the thing around. Let's open this thing up. It's taped. Take this tape out. So the two trays or rack is inside. It's inside this. So if we're cooking like a steak, fish, chicken wings, we could use this one. And if we're cooking like French fries, potato tots, we could use this one right here. So this one has a non-stick um, material on it, or coat. So we should just need to be careful about metal to metal contact, and this will uh, get scratches. And once it gets scratch or scratches, it gets easy to get rusted too. So we just have to be careful. So, and it has rubbery tips like in the side, and as you can see, there's arrows. There's an arrow here, and then there's an arrow here. So this arrow goes to the back and this arrow goes to the front, or vice versa, depending on how you would like to orient it. So let's take this cardboard out, and we'll see, we'll see we'll check the arrow, see if it'll work. So we have the arrow facing forward and backward, and we'll put it in and see if it fits. Or we could try take it out and put the metal one and see how it fits right there. I think what I'm going to do with this is, you can buy a pan, an aluminum pan. You could use an aluminum pan and you put it here underneath. That way all the juices, the oil, or whatever from anything that you cooked will just go to the aluminum pan instead of on the bottom of the air fryer or the cooker. So it's easy to clean. And I've, I've got some chicken wings and some Cornish hen to check or try this out sometime tomorrow or the next day. And we could see two right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the heating element for the air fryer. And there's the heating element and the fan, and that's the two things that will be cooking our food. So we need to be on the lookout for the hot sign right there. And if you turn around, that's where the hot vent or hot air comes out. So just be careful where you position it or where you placed your hand when you're handling this air fryer. And let's go ahead take a look. What's the voltage requirement for this air fryer? So the voltage requirement for this air fryer is 120 volts, 60 hertz. So we just need to be careful about on places where they have 220, 240. You need to get a transformer. And I'll be sharing my experience with this once we get it set up. So for now, we're gonna put it back like so. And this is the Gourmia digital air fryer, the 6 quart slash 5.7 liter capacity. And like I said earlier, I'll update everyone how the cooking came up. With that, I'd like to thank for watching. Thank you for your time.